Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. So today I'm so super excited to share with you some happy mail that I received from Liz. Hi Liz! Oh my goodness, this was so unexpected. She did not text me or tell me that she was sending me some happy mail. So it was a pleasant surprise. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I actually found out about the package earlier this week, but I couldn't get to my mailbox. And I actually found out at work that I got sent a package, but I didn't know who it was from. My husband's just told me that I have a package, so I said, oh my gosh. Right, I wanted to find out who it was from, and then my husband called me and said, it's from someone named Liz Russell. And I said, oh my gosh, what did she do? So, thank you so much. You did not have to do this, but oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys my little sign here. And I'm sorry about the mess in the background that you saw earlier. I'm in the middle of organizing my craft room, but anyway, I'm finally using my board here. So I thought, this is great. I'll go ahead and put Liz's name here. Okay, you guys, so I adjusted my camera just so I can show you guys. Look how big this is. It's a large flat rate box, you guys. So, oh my gosh, thank you so much. So, okay, let's go ahead and open it because I am undying here. Okay, so I think it was this flap that I lifted up and I saw this and I was just like, oh my gosh. First of all, look at this paper, this plaid. Oh my gosh. And I can't remember. I want to say, I think I saw her video. On this. I can't even remember, but look how cute, the kitty cat. Oh my gosh, I love this plaid. Okay, so then let me just maybe turn it this way, and then look, where did you get these stickers? Oh my gosh, I think I recognize this little girl. I think this is from the Dollar Tree, right? Oh my gosh, and the bats. I love the felt bats. I don't think I even have those felt bats, do I? Oh, look. Trick or treat. Oh my gosh. Liz, oh my gosh. Are you guys seeing this? Let me just make sure my camera is rolling because I don't want you. Okay, good. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest ever. Wow, girl, you just went all out. I mean, oh, thank you so much. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead, look at this, all this crinkle paper, and I love these balls. Oh my gosh, I love these balls. I haven't picked any of these up, so I'm gonna save these. Thank you so much. And I love the black and white. Oh wow. Okay, so I'm gonna move the box because this is humongous, you guys, and we're gonna dig in one by one here. Oh, Liz, this is so sweet of you. Look at this. First of all, look at her packaging. If you guys don't know Liz, and I'm sorry, it is Liz Russell on YouTube, you guys. We recently did a swap, but I have followed Liz for a really long time, and I absolutely love all her projects, and you have to head over to her channel because if you're not familiar with her work, oh my gosh, you don't know what you're missing. She does Halloween like no other. She always has some awesome ideas, and you know, she layers, and just the details are just amazing. Anyway, look how adorable this is. Where did you even get this huge die cut? I've not seen this huge die cut. And look, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm just I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so I love this black and white paper that you got. I can't remember if I have something like this. I might have a polka dotted one. So you're going to have to tell me if you got this at Hobby Lobby. As much as I don't want to mess this up, I think I'm going to have to because the tape is... But I'm gonna save this, of course. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I have not picked up any kitchen towels. I've been looking at them every time I go to Hobby Lobby. In fact, the last time I was at Hobby Lobby, I almost picked up some kitchen towels, like the fall one. But oh my gosh, and then I didn't. And then this is amazing. And I love witches, you guys. I love it. Okay, I don't even know where you got this, but it doesn't even matter because thank you so much. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, and then, oh my gosh, she packaged every single thing in there. Look how pretty. A flower. And this. I love this. I don't know if I have that trim. Okay, I don't know where to. I keep turning it over and it's like, okay, oh yeah, I get to save this one. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just going to rip through this already because I know I'm going to take too long. And I'm sorry for the noise. Okay, so, yay! Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. And do you guys see that? There is tulle. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. And I think she said she used an older paper collection. Oh, and it's like a witch themed one. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I love witches. This is so pretty. I love this. Witch's Brew. And look, oh, and look, she even put glitter on the roses. I need to get me some black roses that are this tiny. I don't have any. And I love all the little confetti that you have in there. Here's a moon. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, your packaging is just so stinking cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't know where else to look here. For your daughter. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, you found some of these. I love these. These are the ghosties from Target. Okay, I'm going to save this for Genevieve. And hopefully I can maybe get her to come and, you know, open this. Okay, there's this cute little, I think it's over here. Okay, oh my gosh, I saw this. And seriously, Liz, I had to find this container because of you. I saw her project, and I think all of us did. And oh my gosh, look at those Hershey's Kisses. I got some Halloween candy, but not a whole lot yet. Those are so cute. And I do love Hershey's Kisses. Thank you so much. Oh, and then you guys, you have to head over to her channel because she redid the decoration on this. I think she changed this ruffle. It was a different kind of ruffle. And then she even, like, look, she finished the top. Oh my gosh. This is just so, oh, witch's rule. Yes, girl. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, Liz, you spoiled me. Okay, this bag belongs to me. Wow, this is cute. Where did you get this bag? Oh, it's a Mary bag. Oh my gosh. Did you add this, or is it like, does it come like this? This is so cute. And it's a pretty big size bag, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Liz. This is just amazing. This is so funny that you got me this because yesterday I was looking for, you know, a little list pad. And I was like, dang. You know, I was looking at my... Sorry. I was looking at my list pads and I was like, I don't have a Halloween one. And I was like, oh, because I decorated somewhat my desk. But it's not done yet. But anyway, it's slowly getting there. But I was like, oh, would it be nice to have a list pad that's Halloween themed? Oh my gosh, where did you even find this? It's a unicorn wearing a witch's hat. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is from TJ Maxx. I've not been to TJ Maxx for a while. I haven't. I've had opportunities to go, but I'm trying not to shop. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Okay, I have to keep going, you guys, because this is going to be like a super long video. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this. Is this a Target bag? Because I love it when they have these, this kind of closure, and I know Target has bags like that. This is so cute, Liz. I was telling her, oh my gosh, all her projects are so amazing. I'm going to have to step it up because, oh my gosh, just the packaging alone is just amazing. Okay, I'm sorry, like my nose is running here. Oh, yay! She gave me some of the bats that I was talking about. Look, I said I didn't have these bats. Oh, thank you so much. These are perfect. I don't have these. Thank you. Ooh, look. I love this. This is a good size. And these, oh my gosh. I don't know what it is about spider webs. I just love them. I think we all do, but I love them like in every size. Like, I just want different sizes, but I don't have too many. I think I have just one die that my friend Mimi had gifted me. I don't know. I think I have stamps, but I don't have too many dies. Anyway, this is adorable. Even look at this little... Where'd you even get this? This little baggie is adorable. It's polka dotted. It's like a glassine bag. Oh my gosh, and I just messed it up. Ugh. Okay. Oh, chocolate chip cookie. Oh, girl. I'm gonna have to, seriously, I'm gonna have to break my diet. And I'm gonna eat this. I am definitely gonna eat this. Not tonight or anything, but I'm definitely gonna eat it. And then I have a souvenir tin. Thank you so much. This is so pretty. I love it. That is just, oh my gosh, this is such a cute skull. I love skulls. I don't like them like too colorful. This is like spooky, but not too scary. And yay! Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I got some more. You can never have a lot of sequins, you guys. You guys. Sequins is our friend, okay? It is our friend. Oh, Liz, you got one for my son. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to have them open their Happy Mail also from you. Do they have to wait until Halloween? I don't know. Oh, this is so amazing. Okay, I have to make room because this is just wowzy. Okay, look at this bag, you guys. Okay, I'm going to say maybe the big one. Let me just look at this one, you guys. How cute. Is this from your like silhouette or cameo or whatever it is that you use? Cricut? That is such a cute bat. And this, you're wrapping. Oh my gosh, girl. I don't even have cute tissue paper like this. I have like I thought I picked up something that can pass for Halloween, but I don't have anything like this. Oh my gosh. You spoiled me, girl. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Liz. Seriously, just the packaging alone. I'm like so inspired right now. I am just so inspired, and I'm sorry I'm making so much noise. Okay, let me put it over here. Oh, no, you didn't. Wow, I have not seen or made one of these in the longest time. This is so sweet. Oh my gosh. And look at her style. It's very vintage. Oh, time to party. Haunting, poison. Oh, I love the little bottles. Oh my gosh, this is adorable and spooky and cute at the same time. Whoops, something dropped. I do this all the time with these. Look. Okay. There are these paper clips and this bottle cap. Oh, you know, I busted my bottle caps out. I haven't made anything yet, but this is amazing. Look, I love that. Remember, this is perfect for an October daily. Oh my gosh, I'm so late, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to try to do an October daily. I did last year. I believe I shared something. Was that the year before? Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I can't even talk because oh, this is so pretty. Look at the little cup. The witch hat. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then she put some goodies in the back. So this goes in here. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Look at this. Look at those labels. Or tickets. Oh, I love it. Oh. I don't have any of these either, so thank you. Oh, look at the charm. Really? I have not seen that. That's from Hobby Lobby. That is a Hobby Lobby charm because I recognize the fairy tales. I have not seen these. Are these new at Hobby Lobby? Oh, girl. Don't send me there. That's dangerous. I can't go there. Thank you. Well, I don't have to right now because you gave me so much stuff. Probably a lot of it is from Hobby Lobby. Oh, girl, thank you so much. Oh, this is so cute. I can't even put it back in there. Oh my gosh, you guys. I hope this video is not going to be too long and I don't have to do 2 parts. But look at her banner. See, I didn't even notice that. Oh my gosh. Okay, I will look at this later because I still have, I think, one more to open up for you guys. That is so cute. And look at her tassel. Sorry guys, I had to cut it there because it was getting too long, so stay tuned for part 2.